This Coldwell banker Schmitt real estate company property video is presented by Dave Wiley. Open house July 4th and 5th 2,200 square feet. 3-bed/2-bath swimming pool home located in quiet community. Community boat ramp around the corner for boating access. Offered unfurnished for long term, 12 months, lease at $3,475 per month. First, last, plus $1,500 security deposit required prior to move-in. Tenant pays utilities, TV, and internet. Pool maintenance, pest control, yard service and access to community boat ramp included. Owner is licensed FL Realtor. No smoking/no pets. To submit application https://home.cozy.co/apply/apply/#!!!3927732. For more information, review the details below.